The new Kia Forte offers styling and equipment that's reminiscent of the Stinger sports sedan, at a much more affordable price. Unfortunately, the Stinger's winning performance isn't part of the package. Instead, the Forte offers middling acceleration from a standard 147 horsepower 4-cylinder, and a chassis that's tuned more for comfort than for sporty driving. A more powerful 201 horsepower GT model sits atop the lineup, but it's not quite aggressive enough to hound performance-oriented alternatives, such as the Honda Civic C, Mazda 3, the Volkswagen Jetta GLI. But for buyers who couldn't care less about performance, and just want to maximize value, the Forte offers a lot to like.